If you enjoy this video, please like, share, and subscribe, leave a comment in the bottom, and turn on notification bell for future content. Thank you, I really appreciate it. And please always fly safe and responsibly. So, your wife finally gets you that DJI Mavic Air 2 that you've been wanting since the summer, and you got it for Christmas, and you're excited. But one of the main things to think about is how to protect your product. And what I did for mine is I bought the Symik A310-MA2 waterproof hard case specifically for the DJI Mavic Air 2. Also, if you want to see more videos on the Mavic Air 2, please check out my boy Joe L. Solo over on his channel. He just purchased a Mavic Air 2 and is going to put out some videos soon on it. Now let me go over my reasons why I purchased the Symik A310-MA2 waterproof carrying case for the DJI Mavic Air 2. And one of the reasons, it is IP67 water level proof, which means you could accidentally drop in the water when you're going fishing, and as long as it doesn't sink to the bottom, your drone should stay nice and dry. It's EVA shockproof inner support. It's pressure resistant. Just the overall peace of mind that your Air 2 is protected is by far reason enough to get this. Everything is precisely cut on the inside to match the Air 2. It's made with ABS plus EVA materials, and overall the top quality of the build and the toughness of the case is my main reason for buying this case. But now let's look inside the case and see how the Air 2 fits and the accessories.
Let's talk about this case. This case is a beast. It's very hard, very sturdy. It's got a handle. Doesn't feel like it's gonna break. The latches. Very sturdy. You could lock the case. Inside, what do we find? You could store everything, including additional 2 more batteries for the Air 2. So it feels, it's in there very, not too snug. Pretty easy to take out, put back in securely. You're able to leave the propellers on. Your battery charger slips right in. Your batteries. Have a little section here you can put all your wires. Put your charger, any of your other little accessories, your filters. Everything fits in here very nicely and securely. Now for the remote, put the remote in there and leave these on. Yay! Because you have 2 little holes. Down here, little hiding spot where you can put your propellers, you can put your filters, put the part of the charger in here. All in all, this is a rugged case. Have your foam up here. It's water resistant, crush proof.
My opinion, if your top priority is protecting your DJI Mavic Air 2, I do recommend getting this case, or at least something similar, at least the hard case. If you plan to travel a lot or pack it with several suitcases or anything like that, or packing it up in your car. And you can find this by doing a Google search on it, or you can find it on Amazon, which the current price on it as of the recording today is $55.99. If you don't get this case, at least get a hard protective case, because I don't know about you, but almost $1,000 in a drone requires extra protection. So if you like the video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This really means a lot to us. We're trying to grow the channel and put out as many videos as we can for 2021. Our product testing experience isn't in any way for us to make money. We're not sponsored or anything by any of these companies. These are just items that we buy and we test, and we want you to know what our opinion is on it, so you can see the videos and make your own opinion if it's something worth buying or not. But until next time, please stay safe. Johnny Bravo out.